Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today I am going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig playing hide and seek. At first, I am going to draw Peppa Pig's eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her body and her arms, then her legs, and finally her cute tail. She is squatting. She tries to find George Pig, who is hiding. I'll draw a small table and a nice plant on top of it. Now let's draw George Pig. Under the table, I draw the little piggy. I start with his nose, then his eyes, and the shape of his head. I draw his smiling mouth and his cheek. I draw his body. He is sitting on the ground, hiding from Peppa. His two arms and his two legs. And finally, her cute tail. I finish the drawing with the ground. Wow, it looks great! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use this pink marker for Peppa's skin. Then this light purple for her cheek. I use light red for her mouth, and I color her dress red. Now let's color George Pig. I use the same pink marker for his skin. And light purple for his cheek. I color his clothes blue. I color the table brown. For the plant, I use green. I use brown. I color the flower pot purple. Then I add some orange. Finally, I add some aqua blue for the ground. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.